sheet is fed individually. This is what you call sheet fed offset. The ink has to be set with UV lamps, but it immediately dries. When I first started, we didn't have any of that. Everything was done by hand. Even setting the inks were done. Each individual key, it was completely different. Every step of this machine is automated.